Thanks.
Frugal aesthetic.
I now know how to treat women with dignity and respect.
So Valentine's Day's coming, love is in the air, and everyone's trying to find someone to take their pants off, but hold the spice there, Sean Evans. This isn't Hot Ones. To get someone to want to take your pants off, you gotta look good first with them on. And to look good, you don't even need to spend money.
Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in my bank account. In my bank.
Here's proof. I got 2 pairs of pants right here. Between A or B, which one do you think is the cheap one? I'll give you a couple seconds. Okay, so you chose A, obviously. You're wrong. And if you chose B, you're also wrong. The right answer is actually secret option C, the ones I'm wearing right now. And I'm wearing them because they look good and they were only $30 from Uniqlo. So in this video, you're gonna learn how to style and look good in cheap pants, baby. I'll break the video down into 3 things, and they're gonna be styles, fitment, and personalization. Starting off with style, the reason a lot of jeans look cheap is because they overcompensate. By this, I mean if you see a pair of over-the-top jeans, like with splatters and rips and embroidery or, you know, whatever, you already know they're from some cheap fast fashion brand. Example, it's like big trucks. When you see a super thick loaded up 4x4 lifted truck, it's pretty big, right? You know, owner has a big truck, but guess what he has that's not that big? Exactly. Small self-esteem. Low. Yes, same thing. But if your pants are overdone and loaded up like a truck, it's definitely overcompensating where it doesn't need to be. Keeping it simple with a regular pair, maybe even some distressing or fading here and there, but simple for the most part. Like embroidery. Come on. I know you're not wearing Gucci. You look like you just won big in a Chuck E. Cheese's and cashed out all your tickets on a bunch of fake tattoos, which is fine. That spider rings, totally fine.
In my bank account.
But with pants, less is more. Simple and clean. Next up, we got fitment. This is where boys become men. Boys to men. You can have the nicest pair of pants in the world, but if they don't fit good, what's the point? Dude, Uniqlo actually offers free alterations in the store for some locations. And if you find another tailor or something, it shouldn't cost you more than like $15. Overall costs for everything are probably still lower than a pair of high-end pants, and they still end up looking good, if not better, since they're perfectly fitted to you personally. My advice for it is find a pair that fits you really good, and then just copy the measurements down of that pair of pants. After that, you just keep them on like a piece of paper or notes or the cloud, you know, it's 2019, and then you're set. You just have your measurements that you can take to any tailor, and they'll make it fit just like your good pair of pants. I've personally done this with like all of my jeans. I mean, not me. My mom did, but word of cop mom, I don't know. They're usually pretty sold out. Maybe you can win them in a raffle. I don't know, but you can find a tailor almost anywhere. Honestly, one of the best moves in my life was getting stuff custom fitted, and as a result, I'm wearing a wider assortment of pants. Thank you. You can give me a follow on Instagram at ChristianVY to keep up with my pants evolution. Lastly, we got personalization. I'm talking cuffing, patina, belts, keychains, drawings, all of that. Having a basic pair to start and then customizing it to your own style is the essence of expression. I like to cuff my pants or leave them cropped because that's my taste. And also, I usually have a belt that hangs off to add a little bit of spice. I've seen people write or paint on their pants, and that's also pretty cool. I don't know how to draw, but if you do, it's literally one of one. This just makes your basic Levi's, H&M, or wherever you got your pants from, it seems way more stylish because of the small things that add up. But obviously, too much of anything is a bad thing. Like, don't destroy your pair. The point isn't to make the jeans look expensive, but rather make them look good enough to where you don't even think about how much they're worth. The only thing on your mind should be how good they look on you. Thank you for watching the video, everybody, and make sure you leave a like real quick if this helped you with affordable pants. Make sure you comment Chuck E. Cheese pizza if you made it this far to mess with everyone that's reading the comments right now. Like, imagine 1,000 comments and all of them say Chuck E. Cheese pizza. Follow my Instagram at ChristianVY and tweet at me at ChristianVYYT. Yeah, guys, respect women coming soon. And yeah, boys, happy Valentine's Day. Yes, thank you. I love you.